Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be comparing all these batteries. Which is the best battery? A lot of you have been saying down in the comments on my previous video with this drill that the test wasn't good because this battery is not as powerful as these. You guys are going to see comparisons side to side for the next one down. The 2 amp hour battery. This is a 5 amp hour battery. This is a high output CP 3 amp hour battery. This is a high output XC 6 amp hour battery. This is a high output XC 8 amp hour battery, and we got the 12 right there. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be putting the smaller one with the next one big, or the smaller one with the next one down, side by side. A lot of you guys were saying that the tests were not fair, or that I should have put a different battery with this drill. Be sure to check out the drill video. I will leave a link down below, down up there for you guys. We're gonna start with the smaller ones, the 2, the 3, the 5, and then so forth. All right, we're gonna be using this drill, 2804-20. It's a fuel. It's a Milwaukee fuel drill, hammer drill. Guys, and don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. 3 amp hour, 2 amp hour, 5 amp hour, 6 amp hour, 8 amp hour, 12 amp hour. And all the tests will be performed with this auger bit. This is a 1-inch auger bit. We're going to be putting the same auger bit throughout all the tests here with this drill. We're going to start with the 2 amp hour battery. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, this drill's not going to do it on speed 2. All right, the next one up is a 3 amp hour battery. Fresh out of the charger. 1, 2, 3, go. All right, so it was able to do it. All right, the next one done is a 5. Go. And all these tests are performed with moderate force, not extreme force. You got a 6 amp hour battery. 1, 2, 3, go. All right, that's speed 1. We're gonna do 8 amp hour battery. Still speed 1. Hold right here. 1, 2, 3, go. All right, we got the big boy, 12. 1, 2, 3, go. One, two, three, go. All right, let's try this on number 2, see if it'll do it. We got a new piece of wood or scrap wood. New piece of wood. You got the 2 amp hour battery. Still got, oh, we're down to 2-3 bars. We got the 3 amp hour battery. All right, 1, 2, 3, go. Speed 2, by the way. All right, we got the 5. 1, 2, 3, go. All right, we got the 6. 1, 2, 3, go. All right, we got the 8. Obviously at 5. 1, 2, 3, go. All right, we got the 12. One, two, three, go. All right, guys, that's it. I personally think that it does give it a little bit more power, but this tool is very powerful. It's a little warm. It's still touchable. It's a little warm. Let me know down in the comment section, what do you guys think about this test? If you were to go into this line, which battery would you consider buying first? Which battery do you have? Which battery do you think is the best with your tool? Does it make a difference with your tool? Let me know that in the comment section. What do you guys think? Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more review videos, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.